fill us in on Spidertracks.
Thank you. So Spidertracks does aviation-based tracking on a global basis using this device, a Spider, which connects through the Iridium satellite network and delivers a direct feed back to our customers based on the ground through their command and control centres. Today at Helitech we're introducing some new technology, so building out on the Spider platform. It's taking us beyond just the concept of tracking, if you like. That includes two-way communication via Spidertext, which is a closed network for our customers that gives them the ability to communicate with each other from a ground-to-air or air-to-air or air-to-ground basis. The beauty of that is it's incredibly inexpensive or cost-effective, if you like, and as I say, provides them with that ongoing ability to communicate with their crews at all time. In addition to that, we've introduced another product, Spider Events, which is taking data off the aircraft around specific event management, if you like. So if you think of firefighting customers who are needing to be compliant to enable them to win contracts for firefighting, they need to have certain parameters brought off their aircraft, such as wheels on, wheels off the ground. What else have they got? They've got open the bucket, close the bucket, those sorts of things. And further to that, we're delighted to announce our maintenance tracking today. And that's automating the currently typically tiresome manual process of capturing all of your data entry around a given flight and processing that manually. We've automated that process through a partner business of ours in New Zealand, that's AeroNet.
Excellent. Well, there's a lot going on. Why is Helitech the place for you to share everything that's happening, or how can you reach the people that you want to be reaching here?
Hey, so for two reasons. One, Helitech is a great gathering of everyone in the rotary industry here across Europe and beyond. It gives us a chance to come here in a really cost-effective way, meet all of those people in the industry and share with them what's going on. But equally for us, it's to find out what's going on in the industry as well and just interact with our partners and customers and potential customers as they come by and visit us.